Hello, fellow traders. So again with the Bitcoin, it's been interesting, moves, but nonetheless, it's volatile enough so you can, take um, the position long and then short, um, which I did for the past, I guess, few weeks. Well, since the I made the last video of this one. So far, you went pretty well, except I sold over here. Should have stayed a little bit longer. And since we took out this one, I was wondering why didn't we keep going up? And I think we will go up, but this is the final week. Um, at least that's what I saw in Socrates, and I will share that with the private subscribers. The raise, but for the folks who this is for free, just we touched this reversal. We're gonna bounce off of this one again today, probably close about this one, which is 95,404. Since we already took that out, so I will see even a move to 98, 99,000. It will be a big move because that's what happens before a crash. You have to trap the bears, um, or the bulls. You have to trap the bulls, right? So yeah, just wait. Don't if you want to take the opposite trade, don't do it yet. Um, it's not gonna go down at least until 15th. Based on the direction changes, there are like three of them, and all in the trend. And I'll explain that in the video. All right, good luck, and remember, do your own research. Don't just trade based on my opinion. Have a nice one.